Welcome to the NYSE Big Startup, a show about unlocking potential brought to you by NYSE and hosted by me, Guy Kawasaki.
We provide cloud-based phone systems to businesses pretty much of all sizes. So what we do is we let you use your sort of traditional phone equipment, but very importantly, mobile devices, smartphones, all without any type of a proprietary box. There is a lot more that you can do with business communications if you were to step away from the traditional metaphor of, here is a hardware box and all of these little phones are connected to it.
If an entrepreneur is watching this who is interested in enterprise, small business, medium business sale, and he's facing the same, or she's facing the same question, like, how do I get a business to bet their business on me? Based on what you did and what you learned, what's your advice to them?
Kind of understand your customer and know where you're going. And if you're going after a small business, then go after the small business and solve small businesses' problems. If you're going after a medium business, well, they have a different set of issues, right? So firstly, you're not selling to a proprietor anymore. You're selling to a technologist, more, a CTO or somebody like that, or head of IT, There is usually going to be a team involved. There is going to be more of a competitive situation, which doesn't exist with small business. And it's a great area as well, but you just need to approach it a little bit differently.
Did you just self-fund this company? Talk about the funding.
Where we're very fortunate is that we got sort of some early prototypes to market very, very quickly. And we actually had recurrent revenues flowing. Not very much of it, and we were still in the red, but at least there was market acceptance. And we were able to just continue bootstrapping it and using sort of customers to pay for what we have.
Do you think it's more dangerous for a company to get money too early or too late?
It is very dangerous to get money into ventures that you don't personally believe in, that you're personally not willing to back up with sort of everything you've got. Because once you get money, it's a marriage, and it's a marriage without a divorce. It's a Catholic marriage. There's no way out, okay? So you better be damn sure that you got the right partners and that your goals are aligned. So I would say that the danger is not too early or too late so much. The danger is get the money from the people that are right for you.
What's the best piece of advice you can give an entrepreneur?
Probably the best piece of advice is don't do it unless there is no way for you to not do it. You have to not want to do anything else. You have to not even imagine other situations, opportunities, etc. You really have to be dedicated. So if you are, then do it, absolutely, and use all resources at your disposal.
One last tip. Tip.
At least the first lesson I've got is if you want to get somewhere, first look where you want to go. That's half way of getting there, or half the work of getting there is knowing where you want to go. And once you do, understand sort of who it is that can help get you there. And also, figure out some mentors, figure out some role models, understand who you want to be, more like. If you're lucky, associated with, but if not, at least, emulating. And lots of hard work.
Right.
And a sense of humor helps.
Right. Thank you, Vlad, for
Thank you
joining
very
us
much.
on NYSE Big Startup. Thank you for watching the NYSE Big Startup.